Imagine waking up to a 309% explosion in the derivatives market while the former king of crypto hints at his return to power. That's exactly what happened after yesterday's Fed rate cut. In today's Crypto Pulse, we'll break down why ASTER detonated, what CZ's cryptic bio change means for Binance, and how to position yourself for what could be crypto's next major breakout phase. Hey, Crypto Pulse Nation, Alex from Moonward Capital here. If this is your first time watching, we deliver flash updates every 12 hours to keep you ahead of the market. Because in crypto, being first means everything. Let's jump right into today's explosive market developments. We're witnessing what I call the perfect storm. Three major catalysts colliding in a 24-hour window. First, the Federal Reserve delivered its expected 25 basis point cut, bringing rates to the 4.25% range. Second, ASTER Protocol launched with a nuclear token generation event, distributing 704 million tokens, representing 8% of the total supply. And third, this is where it gets interesting, Changpeng Zhao, better known as CZ, quietly changed his Twitter bio from X-Abonance to simply Ebonance, sending BNB to a fresh all-time high of $994. Let's break down what this means for your portfolio. The overall market is showing remarkable strength post-Fed decision. Bitcoin holding steady at $117,119, up 1.08%. Ethereum showing more strength at 4,618, up 2.60%. XRP at 3.10, up 2.80%. Solana at 246, up 5.10%. And BNB hitting that new all-time high at 993, up 3.59%. But the real story is in the sectors. Derivatives protocols are absolutely exploding, up 27.72% as a sector. Social 5 following closely at 20.83%. LRT protocols up 6.12%. Buybacks up 3.25%. And layer 1 showing steady strength at 1.82%. This tells us something critical about post-Fed positioning. Let's talk about the most explosive story of the day, ASTER Protocol. This perpetual DEX protocol just delivered what might be the most successful token launch we've seen in 2025, surging 309% on its TGE day. But here's what makes this truly exceptional. 704 million tokens distributed, 8.8% of supply, 350 million plus TVL generated in less than 24 hours, 20% market share captured in the perpetual DEX space overnight, $58 billion in trading volume processed. This isn't just another airdrop, it's proof that the derivatives revolution has gone nuclear. When a protocol captures 20% market share on day one, we're witnessing infrastructure adoption at light speed. Now to the mystery that has the entire crypto world buzzing. CZ, the founder of Binance, who stepped down as part of a $4.3 billion settlement with the DOJ in 2023, has changed his Twitter bio from X or Binance to simply a Binance. 2 characters removed. That's all it took to send BNB to a new all-time high at 994. Our regulatory sources indicate that behind the scenes, Binance may be negotiating with the DOJ to terminate its 3-year compliance monitor early. If true, this could potentially pave the way for CZ to return to an advisory role at the exchange empire he built. So what does all this mean for your portfolio? The post-Fed positioning game is everything right now. Smart money isn't just reacting to the rate cut. They're rotating into yield-generating infrastructure that benefits from institutional adoption. Here's how to approach each catalyst. For the Fed cut, focus on derivatives infrastructure benefiting from institutional flows. For ASTER, watch for continued ecosystem expansion. Successful TGEs typically see extended momentum. For CZ Binance, BNB's $1,000 psychological level is key. A breakthrough could trigger another leg up. And remember, in crypto, convergence catalysts create exponential, not additive effects. Looking at the charts, here are the critical levels to monitor. For ASTER, $0.50 is the key support level. Holding above validates the TGE momentum, while $0.80 is the next major resistance. For BNB, the $1,000 psychological barrier is everything. CZ's return speculation could drive a breakthrough for the derivatives sector. Maintaining leadership above 20% would confirm the rotation thesis. These aren't just price levels, they're validation points for the post-Fed narrative. The next 72 hours will be critical. We have a $47 million Layer 0 unlock coming on September 20th. Korea Blockchain Week kicks off on September 22nd, And weekend positioning will tell us if this derivative's momentum has real legs. The post-FOMC positioning window won't stay open forever. The smart money is already rotating from Fed narratives to infrastructure utility. So there you have it. The perfect storm of catalysts that's reshaping crypto in real time. The Fed cut provided the backdrop, ASTER's nuclear launch proved PerpDex tokens work at scale, and CZ's potential return could restore the empire that once dominated crypto. When three catalysts align, you don't just get additive effects, you get exponential opportunities. But remember, in crypto, timing is everything. The post-Fed positioning window is live now, but won't stay open forever. If you found this update valuable, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get Crypto Pulse delivered every 12 hours. Drop in the comments, which of these three catalysts do you think will have the biggest impact on Q4? The Fed cut, ASTER's explosion, or CZ's potential return to Binance? I'm Alex from Moonward Capital, and I'll see you in 12 hours with the next Crypto Pulse.